It is the first full Saturday we've had in this house, because last Saturday was crazy move-in. But what we're doing today is we're going to get to work on some of this fencing around the house. Towards the left of the house, we have some of these T-post and wire fencing for dogs. I believe that was the original purpose. And then back here, behind, we got a bunch of these wooden fences. You'll see back here, all throughout past the barn. And I'm gonna keep the ones past the barn for the chickens to free range when we get those. But I'm gonna take out these and open up this back pasture a little bit, clean it up, and hopefully it's gonna look beautiful. Clean up the weeds and everything, but getting these chain link fences out, getting these T-posts out, and clearing up this side yard. So we have rented a skid steer. We just went and picked it up. We got 8 hours available for use. So we got a chain, we got Cody, and we're gonna get to work. So we'll see how it freaking goes. Same thing applies with not through the link itself.
Correct.
You going all the way through?
Yeah. All right. Pull it tight, and you just, same concept. Put
That's
it up
crazy
there.
how it stays like that.
And then
Is that some type of physics law?
yeah, and you want to make sure that it's tight because you don't want any slack in the chain when you're gonna whip, or else I'm not gonna be able to get it. So we're gonna give this a shot.
Butter! Ooh! Where would we cut it?
And we'll have to do that at every section pretty much.
What's gonna go through this?
A grinder. It's gonna be the fastest. You don't have one, do you?
I don't think so. Where's the fucking drill? Where did I put the drill, dude? Got Dad learning how to use the mower. Cody's teaching him. He's got a little bit more on the zero turn to do up in these front pasture ways, because we had all the front done by the tractor with the bush hog, taking it down. But the previous owner had let me know that if I want the front pastures to grow in as thick and juicy and good as the back pastures, then we should take the zero turn and go over the front before the winter time. And then it'll grow back a little bit thicker and look a little bit better. So we're taking the zero turn, cutting the grass about 4 inches on all the front pasture ways. And then before Thanksgiving, I need to go, am I pointing in the right direction? Way back there, there's still quite a bit of tall heather grass that has not been mowed that we need to get a bush hog. So do not have a tractor, do not have a bush hog. They're fucking expensive, very expensive. I'm like looking on Marketplace, these are $50,000 tractors. Like, holy shit, guys. You know, I'm thinking a little John Deere with a little wagon or something may fit, but after seeing the prices, but gonna get that all bush hogged on the other side of the property before Thanksgiving. I got family and a bunch of guests coming, so want to have it looking pretty. But we're taking care of this fence now, taking care of the back pastureway, should be fun. Look at these fucking guys, huh? About 1 million of them. You see these ants?
Dawn dish soap will actually like dissolve the ants because they're considered like a bacteria. There's like all exoskeleton on the ants. So Dawn dish soap will actually go through and like break down the ants like it would like any dirty dishes or anything.
That is crazy. All right, I guess that's where they were coming from in the garage.
All right, so let's... I'll just cut this fence completely off, but then we'll take off a post and a section of panel.
Okay.
With it. We'll just disconnect it from the next panel. So that's the way the sparks are going, is the way that your blade is gonna go.
Got it.
And so like when you're cutting like this, like you don't want to be on like this side of the blade, because these, if you turn them or anything while you're cutting on thicker pieces, you can shatter this. And there's videos of people with safety glasses on, pieces of this getting stuck in their safety glasses.
Holy
so
shit.
You're supposed to wear safety glasses, but
okay.
You know.
I may go put on the real safety glasses then.
Might be if you're gonna be going. If
I've got some goggles for the guns, so I'll go grab those. Do you want a pair? I've got multiple just glass ones.
Yeah, I'll take one for this.
Okay. If you see any good options for the chainsaws on Marketplace, just send them my way and we can grab one, because I know we're gonna want them for the trails and shit too, right?
Absolutely, and all the big stuff, random
yeah.
that fall.
And like, I mean, I seen a lot of the stuff on the smaller ones being good for trimmings and branches, etc. But a lot of the videos that I had seen, people were just talking like, hey, it's actually easier to get kickback on the smaller ones, and if you got bigger projects and you get used to just using a bigger blade, it can be more.
I think a 20-inch blade is sufficient enough for anything here.
Okay. Yeah, so if you see any good ones on Marketplace, just send them my way and we'll scoop one up. I'm gonna grab the safety glasses.
And I just bring it over to Hunter's, he's like, yep.
Let's go, dude. Fuck yeah.
So.
It's the best Saturday ever. If you want to go down slowly, I got it. And then I just take the chain off?
Yes.
All right. Is that just a cable cover, or what is that? Was it electric fence? It's all attached. Watch out, guys.
This one's probably going to be the most annoying. We won't have...
Ooh.
There we go.
I'm good on that pipe, right? I think so.
Oh, dang, that's a lot of gutter stuff there.
That's gotta be satisfying, huh? That was like a work of art.
Let's see if we can roll it up.
Okay, update. I don't know if that footage did it justice, but we did find our way a little bit in terms of speed and a method in which doesn't destroy the entire yard. So at the start over there, we were turning the skid steer quite a bit and it was tearing up the ground. We had a bunch of rain this week and it was very dry before then, but the ground's wet, so it's definitely easier to tear up. But I think just turning on the skid steer is not good. So look, we'll have to flatten this out a little bit. You know, it's not not the prettiest job, but it's grass. It'll grow back. We're about to be in the winter months anyway. But anyways, we switched the way we were doing it. So we're just going in a straight line with the skid steer. And this was where the fence was already located, so there wasn't grass. And we're really not tearing up much at all now. And you can see the fence is to the left here. And we're just pulling them out post by post. We found a pretty quick way to hook it on there with the chain. We shortened the chain up a little bit, and now we're just doing a double wrap around about there in the fence, hooking it back on and pulling it on up. So we got this corner, we're going around, and then it wraps around back here and then comes along to the side of the house and around back a little bit. So we've knocked out a decent chunk. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know. I'm still getting used to camera angles outside and what the heck looks good. I guess with the mic now, I can be really far over here and you still can hear me. It's kind of a weird concept. But yeah, I think we may have used an hour on the machine. I paid for 8 hours on the skid steer. So it's only, 8 hours when we're running it, and we return it Monday morning. So we'll probably use most of the hours today, maybe a little bit tomorrow to touch up some of the dirt back here. And we'll see if we can get through this side section of the house fencing. I'd love to go back there and do that wooden fencing. Because not the previous owner who sold it to us, but the previous owner before that, they had a lot of livestock. And so they had a lot of the fencing up and used for the livestock around the barn area. But we're gonna do smaller animals and get started with not an entire farm. I've got enough on my plate to worry about and handle, and so does my family. But we got some help, and I'll continue to show you the progress we make. But having a great time. This is an awesome Saturday. It's beautiful. I'm under the sun. We're having a ball, just chatting and working. So that's what it's about over here. Yeah. Where'd I put the gloves? Over there. Got it. Maybe down a little bit more. It was a goal of mine to document this process, and I think it'll be cool to have for years to come,
Right.
See how it evolves over the years. Good amount done here. All right, 4% battery left on the Osmo. Didn't get all the footage, but we wrapped up the side yard fence, so I'm pumped about it. It looks super open over here now. We've only used 2 hours on the skid steer, so we're gonna go in and get a bite to eat, and then we're gonna move to the back fences because we got 6 more hours left of runtime on that. So I think we can knock out a good amount of these fences just because they don't have this wire, and that's what made these take a while, but I am super happy with how open it looks. Try to show you a little view before we run out through here. I think so. So this is all cleared here. All the metal fencing around the house taken out. Look at all that. And then really, look how clear this is. All the way through. And so I'll have easy access right out the garage door with the Kubota and go right out here. Good dad mowing the lawn down there. I mean, he's having a grand old time. We're gonna have a lot of fencing to throw away. Oh, this fencing's still down, but we're gonna keep utilizing this skid steer while we got it. So, time to refuel. I think I got a little nick here. Not too bad. Let's get after it. I'm having a great time. I'm in the sun. It's beautiful. I've barely been in the sun all summer, all fall. It feels great to get some rays on me and do some work like this. Oh. Loving this, so thankful. I'm hungry though. all of this section removed. How about that? All of that. Now it's time to do that one, these, and all the way along there.
Why'd you make that?
You grabbed it on the You want to help? Not that good with it yet. Okay, we have 10% battery, but we finished with the skid steer. We did about 7.5 hours because we wanted to stay under 8. I'm at where I started off here and showed you guys in the video. So here's the driveway, and we had all of this dog fencing, this metal fencing around the side here, and then all the way back behind those trees, and then all the way around. And you can see here, we've taken out all of these, and then if you remember, straight back, there was all of that wooden fencing, bigger posts, but it didn't have wires. And then back on the left side over there, it was actually the larger wooden post in combination with the hog wire, and it was like intermingled and interweaved in there. So that took a while. We just mainly used the brute force of the skid steer bucket to start ripping them out, and then we did the chain on the last part today. So I'm about to give you a quick run around on the Kubota here. I'll drive, show you the fences we took out, and then what we're going to do is, instead of separating all this wood from the fencing, from the wire, I think we're just going to get a dumpster out here. So have them drop it off later this week and spend a day or two, Cody and I, picking up this stuff, throwing it in the dumpster, cleaning up. Then we're going to mow these areas and trim, because there was quite a few weeds and taller grass around where the fences were at. And then obviously during the winter, you know, it's going to die, and then hopefully with some proper nurturing, love, and care, we can grow back this grass and make it match the rest. So let me take you guys and show you final product, final view. I think it opened it up quite a bit, and I think it's beautiful. Oh, bird is talking to me. Oh, hit a fence. Okay, so down kind of up by the pond here, we had all of this fencing, rectangle coming up. And unfortunately we had one birdhouse collapse. We had this one stay up though, thank God. So you can see it was, let's get a overview. This entire rectangle worth of fencing, got some holes to fill, got some trash to pick up, and then we did this entire road to the barn as well, all the way around, and then straight down back. Let's see this new path. New pathway split in the middle. We're not gonna take out these trees though. Even this one looks like a Dr. Seuss tree. Gonna sell these. I'm your local hay plug. If you want it, hit me up. Oh, bobbing and weaving. But look, I mean, it just opened it up significantly out here because this was all the T-bar fencing and the metal wire. So you can see the path that it was on. It's the path to the other side. The other side of the map. I mean, we got enough battery. We got 7% to show you the rest. All right, woo! I trimmed some of these because I got no windshield, so they're all hitting me in the face. So I trimmed some of them. I got a machete on Amazon. Oh, got a machete on Amazon, and I also got an axe. It's a green axe. It's pretty nice. It's in my little bag in the truck. Everybody's like, Hunter, when are you gonna use a machete and an axe? Ha! Now? Who's laughing now? Sunset over the pond. Woo! Beauty! It's hard not to smile out here, I'll tell you that much. And I'm gonna get all this bush hogged before Thanksgiving. Got a family. I don't want them to think I'm a loser because my grass is too tall. So I'm definitely gonna get that bush hogged, and then we'll see. I would love to splurge in the next year on a tractor with a bush hog attachment, and then eventually a skid steer. And then I'm sure, doesn't really end, but I'm having fun with what we have now. This is just heaven. Heaven on earth. You could take me. You could take me if you brought me here. Oh. Dream come true. Dream come true. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Spilling water. And in the next year, we're gonna about double the size of this pond and make it an even better habitat for some trophy bass and a healthy ecosystem. How exciting. So now I think with the YouTube thing, I now have to ask, if you enjoyed this video, please leave your thoughts and comments down below. Please freaking bend over that like button. Please freaking smash that subscribe button. All right. Yeah, you get it. Subscribe, like, share with your friend. Tell me what you want to see in the next video, what you want to see on the next adventure. What should we do out here? And I'll keep you in the loop. But I'm trapped. Oh my God. I'm trapped in a circular cage of hog wire. Is this what they feel like? So I'm never gonna get pigs. I'm only gonna eat them. All right. And then I'll show you the final part. 4% battery, can't be beat. All right, let's go, left side. This is a slept on part here. This is gonna be a slept on part where, you know, the family's not gonna really notice. They're gonna, oh, tree above. That may be how the windshield came out. Big old fence post about halfway through this covering. You can see these. I mean, oh my gosh. I accidentally hit the roof a little bit with the, what is that thing called? The skid steer. But I didn't get it on camera, so it didn't count. And I drove up along the left side here and popped them hose out with the wire with Cody, or with the chain, excuse me. It's getting late and I'm getting tired. I've been up for a long time and I got work in the morning at 5 a.m. I gotta be there, but we cannot pass up this. So we took it to here. So quite a bit more open space going down to the barn. And then, wow, sneak preview. I guess we deserve a sunset. You know what? I guess we do. Hang a left. Fuck it. Fuck it. Ah, there we are. Okay, look at this. Look at this. That's my parents' single wide trailer I bought them that they live out of. I'm kidding, but that it's going to be their build site up there, actually. So that's exciting. Man, this sun feels good. All right, what a Sunday evening. I gotta make this a shorter outro next time. What's that squeaking noise? What is that? Okay, it's gone. Didn't happen. Just like health problems, ignore them and they don't happen. Kidding. I'm not a doctor. Read the disclaimer down low. Don't listen to me. I'm an idiot. Why would you listen to me? Okay. First really vlog style YouTube video out on the new property. If you liked it, give me a like, subscribe for more, tell me what you want to see. I'm so grateful to be out here. Thanks for watching. Let me know where you're watching from. Love you. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye-bye.